We're here with Radian, and we're going to talk about the Radian Spring kit for a little bit. This is something that I use on my gun, and I've had a great time shooting this. It's super soft, and it comes with different spring weights, so you can customize it to your ammo loadout. I'm going to talk about that a little bit.
Absolutely. So it's a pretty sweet system here. So it's not just be a dovetail. All you do is just slide this down, push that off, and it comes right off so you can change them out. Your blue spring is going to be 13-pound springs. Your red spring is going to be 15-pound springs right here. And this is going to be 18-pound springs. These go for $79.95. Obviously, you can tune into what ammo you're shooting or what type of shooter you want. Let's say you're shooting 115 grain, something a little lighter. Your 15-pound spring is probably going to be a little bit better. Same with 124. If you're going lower than 115, I like to recommend the 13-pound spring. 18 pounds, you're going to do it all. Same 15. So we're kind of in the same boat. Other than that, let's go to Glock 19, Jet 3-5. And they work in C47 as well.
Yeah, so if you guys get a chance, check these out. 100% worth the money. I run them myself. I can stand by them. So we're going to talk about the Glock 43, 43X, 48 kits that they just came out with.
Yeah, so this just came out on Tuesday, so probably about a week ago. We came out the Afterburner Ramjet for the 43X and the rest of the same line family, for the Glocks at least. And then we also came out with this sweet magwell. So it's an anchor magwell system. So basically it's called a planar lock screw. It pushes down after you put this in the cavity, the anchor itself, and these barbed teeth push out once the screw is tightened. So all that contact, nothing's coming forward, it's all being hit here perpendicularly to the barrel. We don't have exact numbers on recoil reduction yet. It's very comparable to the 19th of 1%. We'll get more testing done, and we'll have a number there very soon.
But you know it's going to be nice.
It's going to be nice. We're hoping for, well, we know it's at least low 40s, maybe 40% range. Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah, that's a great setup. You know, Mike. Yeah, that's a great setup, and that magnet feels real nice right on the thing. Yeah, I don't have big hands, man. That feels great.
Yeah, there's a little glue to that where you think yourself, so you can really apply pressure on the full gear.
Yeah. They're always out of stock.
Yes. Yeah.
My wife has 40X for her daily carry. Yeah, like I might have to get one of these.
It
won't help her shoot accurate, but it makes more fun.
Exactly. It'll make it easier for her to shoot. That was kind of, a lot of customers would say, 43X, I'm feeling snappy, we got to do something for it. So that was kind of the rule.
Now, are you guys coming out with a competitive for those, or do you already offer it?
So we do have something in range for these guys, as well as the 6. And yeah, but we don't have an ETA to start this time. Indian timing, it takes a little bit for us to get R&D going. You test everything so thoroughly. Yeah. So that is the whole a lot of the times. Yeah, we'll be coming out with something for sure.
That's awesome. I really appreciate it, man. Guys, check them out. Hit up their social media. Go to their website. You guys got to keep your eyes and your hands on it.
I appreciate you, brother. Thank you.